Whip it good, make it feel lickin'. Whip it good, make it feel lickin'. Whip it good, make it feel lickin'. Good, make it feel lickin', baby. Nigga that you know they can do it like me. I'm the best in the city, you know it. Let me let the nigga that you know. Let me let the nigga that you know they can do it like me.
Buddy. Hey. Stuff came in, you know what I'm saying? Customs coming soon, you know what I'm saying? All my supplies came in, I'm gonna make my custom shoes, so I'm gonna be showing y'all that, you feel me? Got all my stuff. Yeah, buddy. Got all the kits, man. Oh, they gave me a mask. That thing for my car. That's what's up, man. Keychain. I needed one of these, no cut. Oh yeah. I got all those. Got all my tape. Need some vinyl tape. This is just use the dye right here. You know what I'm saying, for the suede. Got that. The paint cups. Brushes. Tapes. I need to get my vinyl tape in. Got another dye. Yeah, got that green. Some cleaner. Suede. Got some brushes. Yeah. Heat gun. Fuck yeah. Gotta get shit poppin', man. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah. Get that soul white. Yeah. Got a lot of colors for real. Black ones, that's the gold, metallic gold I got. Gold ones I got, yes, yeah, right there. I got the dollar too, I ain't know I get the dollar. My other paints. Yeah. That's just a starter kit. Yeah, this all I'm using for my boots. This all you need for the Timberland boots for the week. You want to clean it off, and then these are the colors I'm using. You need some tape and some brushes. That's all you need. Do it yourself. You about to get it popping. working, man. Get that shit right. Need customs right. Y'all need customs, man. Just hit my DM up, man. I'm getting these Bape ones done right now. Camo, you feel me? Yeah, right now I'm coloring them red. I got the painting done now. So now I'm finishing off the base coat, the red. Getting all that. Finishing it off. I got a little bit and I did a ton. So I'll show y'all what I'm doing. Getting this red. They was wheat Timbs and I just made them red. And I painted it, got it crispy. And this my first custom boot. This my first custom ever. I'm just an artist. I just love it. I just love it. I just love what I do. I love being creative. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And turn your notifications on every time I, you know what I'm saying, drop a video. And I can show y'all how to do it yourself. Like, I was using that, by the way. You know what I'm saying?
Show y'all where I'm at now, on the second boot.
I'm just doing a little touch up. That's a little Bape logo. It's called this freestyling. Like I ain't do the butterfly effect with the shoes. I just I'm freestyling with it. I still did the Bape camo and still put the Bape logos on there and stuff. But yeah, I'm freestyling it. Butterfly effect is like when you do both shoes the same, vice versa. You know what I'm saying? Just flip it. But I'm just freestyling the Bape. See, I'm just gonna put some tape down just to play it safe. So I'm gonna get some. Hey, don't y'all forget to like and subscribe. Y'all click my notifications because y'all know when I post a video. So you know I'm gonna stay, you know what I'm saying, dropping some sauce. I'll stay coming out, you know what I'm saying, dropping some sauce on y'all. Give y'all some skills. Okay, gotta mix up some more light green.
finished with that. I'm finished with my painting and stuff now. Now I'm about to dye this right here. This way in the bottom, just like this. Don't wear a mask when you do this, because this shit strong.
I'm about to get a tripod though. I'm gonna give me a tripod next. That's what I'm investing in next. Cause I can make my videos a little better than this.
I need a thumbnail, that's all. I'm gonna get one after this after I'm done doing this. I'm just exclusive, yeah.